My name is Professor Lawrence Lovett. I'm the head of the Bloomsbury campus for the Division of Surgery and Interventional Science here at UCL. I'd like to talk about a project on elastography for breast cancer detection. So 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer during their lives. That's about 50,000 new diagnoses every year in the United Kingdom alone. Now, it used to be that we would encourage women to feel their own breasts to try and detect new breast lumps. Turns out that wasn't a very good thing to do, but that's not because you can't feel lumps, it's just that women didn't do it very accurately. Elastography is a completely new way which may actually allow us to quantify very precisely whether there are new changes within the breast tissue and therefore new breast cancer. Ultrasound elastography is already used in the clinical arena to characterize breast cancers. However, it has some quite significant limitations. The first is that it has limitations in its depth, and secondly, in the degree of resolution. This new project using X-ray elastography aims to overcome both of those limitations and to change completely the way we use elastography for assessing breast cancer, moving it from a characterization tool into a much wider screening tool so that far larger numbers of women can get access to this rather exciting new technology. And now I'd like to hand you over to Sandro, who's going to tell you more about the actual project.
So hi, my name is Sandro Olivo. I am a professor of applied physics in the Department of Medical Physics and Biomedical Engineering. And my main interest is X-rays. I develop new X-ray methods, and in particular X-ray methods with a significantly enhanced sensitivity, methods that enable you to see things you wouldn't normally see with X-rays, which is where effectively my expertise stays into this project, because I think I have the means to create the 3-dimensional X-ray images of breast tissue with a sufficient quality to perform excellent elastography. So in practical terms, how this project will develop is the student will start off by developing the imaging method, phantoms and a compression stage to be able to test the methodology to begin with, and then fine-tune it through a series of measurements on initially phantom, then real breast tissue. And towards the end of the project, after 3.5 years or so, we hope to be able to have the first trials on human patients. An important aspect is that we will collaborate with the Institute of Healthcare Engineering and groups such as the Center for Medical Image Computing and the Translational Imaging Group, which have massive expertise in image tracking, and their skills will be instrumental to be able to develop the sort of tissue tracking mechanisms that we need to really bring this project to a successful conclusion.
So why do your research here at UCL? From a clinical perspective, I think there are 2 really important issues. The first is that we, the clinicians, are very keen to explore innovative approaches to healthcare. And the second is that we work very closely with our engineering colleagues, and that's something unique.
And maybe more specifically on this project, and I hope it doesn't sound a bit immodest, but the phase contrast imaging technology developed here is unique and world-leading, and the only one that can be really implemented and used in human patients. So you would help rolling out a new technology that might become much prominent and used in clinics everywhere in the future.